love in today, and I'm so excited to share it with you. So we're going to start with the main kit first. I'm going to pull everything out here real quick. And at first I was going to do the embellishments and I decided, nope, let's start with the papers. So the Hip Kit Club has a lot of different add-on kits that you can get with it. I started after seeing all the really pretty papers that they have. I do get the extra cardstock one, so that way I have two of each sheets, because sometimes you may want to fussy cut, and then like for example this page, I would want to fussy cut those pieces, and if you only have one sheet then you can't use the other side, which is also really pretty, like that one. I love that blue. And then so by getting the add-on of the paper, the collection, um, you'll wind up with two of each. And I love the hearts here, and it has a really pretty ombre on the back. Well, it's not even really ombre because it's distinct stripes. And then you have these hearts too, which scream to be cut out. And then you have the chipboard phrases, and they got the flowers. Um, I like this one because you get the enamel dots, some 3D stickers, and then the wooden uh, stickers as well. And then you have the ephemera, and I was trying to take it out of the package because sometimes the plastic can be a little glary. So you get all those pieces that are on the back of that, and there's a lot of little bits. So I'm just going to put that in real quick. And then we have the frames, which if you ever want to see, like I think Missy did a layout using some of the frames. I'm still trying to get used to using them, so I'm gonna see. I'm gonna have to challenge myself. And then I like these because it looks like they're cursive, and then I was staring at it for a long time because I was trying to find, with the J's, it looked like I was missing a dot, but I ain't worried about it because you don't always need the dot at above the J. It'll be all right. I was just trying to see because sometimes stuff moves, within the packaging. So it's probably like in there somewhere and just kind of floated. So I'll find it. So I'm not going to show you that paper again because we just went through that. Uh, but this is the cardstock add-on. So you get the white sheets. You get this wonderful greenish color, and then the pink, yellow, and then of course blue. I want to say most of the sheets are basil in this because I don't have it right in front of me at the moment. Okay. And they come in these really big Ziploc bags. They're really great. I hope to get one of the iris stands for them because you could fit two kits in one container, but after a while, if you're going to be on this for a long time, you're going to need somewhere to store it. So in the color kit, you get these opal magics. And what I like about the opal magics is that they do two different colors. So if you're using white paper, it's going to be one color, and then if you use black paper, it gives you another color. It's really cool effect. And then in the embellishment kit, you get these shakeable little like shaker elements with the hearts, the banners that you saw, and then the puffy stickers. And then it also has these die cuts in here, which have some tags, some wreaths. There's a lot of little bits. And that's the one thing I would say with a lot of these add-on kits, the embellishments, the Project Life, even in the main kit, you get a lot of ephemera and pieces like that. And these are so pretty. I love the really big um, words as far as, for like your layouts and stuff like that. They make great titles. So all that was in the embellishment kit. And then this one is actually the Project Life kit. And I don't really do like your Project Life, but I can't stand missing out on these embellishments. So you got the brads. These are the puffy stickers. You get washi tape. I mean, come on. Who doesn't love washi tape? I have a wonderful collection that I don't use. And the paper clips. These are stickers, and it's on both sides. There's two sheets. So you get a lot of option with those. And then you get the multicolored alpha, and you do get some numbers, and you get two sheets worth, which is really a lot of alphabet. So I'm really excited about that too. And then here are the 4x6 Project Life. You can see the hearts, the stripes, February, which that flower would be really pretty to cut out. You got this one with a really pretty pink. Love that. And I love you to the moon and back. So cute. And then you have these, which are 3x4. Yeah, 3x4 cards. And then we have all the different styles. And I know a lot of people probably feel like they should be double-sided, but I like the fact that they're not double-sided because then I don't feel like I'm wasting any bits of the cards by using it as layers or stuff like that. And I like that if it's really pretty on the front side and I don't want to write over it, I can write on the back if I'm putting it into like a pocket page, which is how I used them for my December daily this past year. So there is the complete collection. All the links for the Hip Kit Club will be down below. Say that 3 times fast. And I'm showing you a few close-ups here. It's really hard to take pictures of everything that comes in it, but I'm telling you, watch Missy's videos. They've got so many design team members that do really awesome jobs. And right now, as I'm doing this voiceover, I can't think of a single name, but they also have a YouTube channel. So you can go to the Hip Kit Club YouTube channel and check out all their designers and get tons of inspiration. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button, and I will see you guys with our next video.